In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and apply a custom font in Hostinger's Website Builder. Whether you're looking to personalize your site or adhere to a specific brand style, customizing your fonts can really set your website apart. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, make your way to Hostinger's website by opening your browser and navigating to hostinger.com. As you land on their home page, you'll want to find the Log In option, which is easily accessible from the top right corner. Enter your login credentials and proceed to Dashboard, where you can access all your website's tools and settings. Once you're logged in, locate the website that you'd like to edit. You should see a list of your sites displayed prominently on the dashboard. Click on the website you're interested in and then select Edit Website. This will take you into the Builder tool, setting the stage for all the edits you wish to make. Now that you are in the Website Builder, let's focus on how to upload your custom font. Start by adding or selecting any text element on your page that you wish to modify. There's a simple, intuitive interface that you can use to edit each component of your site. Once you have your text element ready, click Edit Text, which opens up the text editor. In the text editor, you'll notice a font drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available font options. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this list until you find the section labeled My Fonts. This is where you'll manage all your custom fonts. To upload your new font, click the Upload button. Here, you'll be able to browse your computer for the font file you want to use. Make sure your font is in the supported formats, either WOFF or WOFF2. Don't worry if it's not. Hostinger's Builder cleverly auto-converts .ttf and .otf files into these usable formats for you. Once your font is uploaded and ready for use, it's time to apply it to your text. With your custom font now visible in the My Fonts section, go ahead and highlight the text you'd like to style. Return to the Font drop-down menu and select your newly uploaded font. Just like that, your chosen text will now be displayed in your custom font, giving your website a unique and personal touch. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added and applied a custom font to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. Keep in mind, custom fonts are a great way to maintain consistency across your digital platforms, especially if you're aligning with a brand identity. Feel free to experiment with different fonts to find the perfect fit for your site. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.